In today's video, I will show you how to replace values of multiple columns in one step inside Power Query using Table.ReplaceValue function. Here is our source data, which contains monthly sales for each region. Our goal is to calculate percentage of row total for each month. So here, sales for Jan month in South region is 166. Total sales for South region is 1594. So percentage of row total is 10.4%. I will do this inside Power Query using Table.ReplaceValue function. Replacer.ReplaceValue is the default function used inside Table.ReplaceValue, which contains three arguments. Here you can see current value, old value, and new value. I am going to use our own custom replacement function, in which I will declare a variable for current value as CV, and I will feed current value. For old value, I will try to pick total sales for each region and I will sum it. Since our custom replacement involves two values, numerator and denominator, I will ignore new value and I will divide current value by old value to get our result. I already imported our source table into Power Query editor. I will insert a step and I will start with Table.ReplaceValue function. First argument is table, source is name of our input table. Second argument is old value, in which I will try to pick total sales for each region. First, I will try to extract record. For that, I will use each underscore. Underscore refers to current record. I will try to convert this record into a list format. So I will use record.toList function. Imagine we transform this value, we replace this value, and this record will contain South 166, 422, and so on. In order to get the total sales of sales value, we don't need this return column. So I will skip first item using list.skip function. Now this will contain sales for each region. I can use list.sum function to get total sales. Now this is our old value. Third argument is new value. As I told you, our custom replacement involve current value and old value. So I will ignore this argument. For that I will place null. Fourth argument is replacer as function, in which I will declare three variables. First one is current value, next one is old value, last one is new value. Then I will insert go to operator. Here I will simply divide current value by old value. Let me move on to last argument, which is columns to search argument, in which I will feed column names. For that I will use table.column names function. The table argument I will place source. So this will extract column names in a list format, and this will include a region column. So in order to skip first item, again I will use list.skip function. Our custom replacement will be carried out for the columns which are listed here. Close parenthesis and click on this tick mark. This is our expected result. Select columns from Jan to May to change the data type. I will change the data type as percentage. This is our expected result. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.